Good evening. Homeopathy explained through Pratibha consciousness. Biological science, which traces matter backwards from organism through cells, nuclei to the centrosome, an organism found in the protoplasm, but usually only occurring in close connection with the nucleus. When active, the centrosome is said to be at the center of a sphere of attraction and a system of rays, and is regarded as the dynamic center of the living organism or cell, governing karyokinesis and cell division. This ray of light surrounding the centrosome considered to be the dynamic center of power. This is placed at the center of a sphere of attraction, and it is placed in a surrounding field of incorporeal substance of living nature. As the active agent and the center of attraction, the centrosome is a medium standing between the field of life on one side and the field of matter on the other side, acting under the law of attraction or affinity, by means of which vital force is drawn from the surrounding vital field and converted or transformed into the physical or chemical force which acts directly upon the matter of which the cell is composed. The centrosome also, like the central nervous system, and may be compared in respect to a dynamo, which acts as a similar manner in the conversion of mechanical energy into electric energy or current. This statement is according to the great homeopathy scientist Stuart Claus. But according to me, in a living organism or a cell, there exists an animating substance and its power, which is excluded from the experience and research of modern scientific studies. This is entirely distinct from the fundamental building blocks of the universe as mentioned by the most modern scientific world, and also its power or energy or force not belonged to any of the fundamental forces of the universe. It means electromagnetic, weak force and strong force of nuclear nature, and gravitational or anything like that. Then what is the substance and its power that animate protoplasm, I am asking. In short, the protoplasm without this incorporeal substance and energy considered to be dead or inanimate. This spirit-like energy or substance exists without having any support of the material energy and force in a living organism. This science is not a part of material science or modern science, but purely vital, and its pre-existing science of cosmic and consciousness field. It not necessarily involved in the countable or measurable part of the living organism, even though it exists in it as an unexplainable layer of existence. For this reason, it is said to be existing in all material part almost uniformly and equally distributed manner. It is not a modern scientific part of a living organism having an explained science. So this part of the life is considered to be of not material origin.